Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question integer to Roman. Okay, let me explain with this example, 3749. So we already know how to convert the input array to Roman, right? So in this case, we have 3000. So that is like a 3M. And for 700, so we can convert like D, C, C. And how about 40? And this is a XL. And how about 9IX? So output is this Roman. Question is, how can we create a Roman from number? Simply, we create a number mapping corresponding to Roman. From the description, we can create a mapping like this. Then iterate through symbol value one by one. So first value is 1000, and the Roman is M. In this case, we need a 3M, right? So if we divide number by 1000, we can get 3. So let's say count equal 3749 divide 1000. So we will get 3, right? After that, just multiply count, 3 by M. So that we can get 3M, right? So result equal 3M. And then next, we want to create a hundredths place. So that's why we should remove 1000 place. So luckily, we have count 3 and 1000 from value symbols. So we can do like this. So num minus equal count multiply 1000. So that means this is 3000, right? In this case. So, and the minus equal means subtract 3000 from 3749. So next number should be 749. And then we repeat the same process, like one by one. Next, we have 900, and the Roman is CM. So in this case, count should be 749 divide 900. So that is 0, right? And then next, we multiply CM by 0. In the case, nothing happened. And then next number should be C multiply current number, 900. So 0 multiply 900 is 0, right? So we subtract 0 from 749. So still number is 749. So nothing happened. And then next we have 500 and D. So first of all, let's calculate count. 749 divide 500. In the case, we will get 1, right? And next, let's create a Roman with count and current Roman. So D multiply 1 is 1D, right? So append D to result variable. And after that, so let's subtract current number from 749. So current is 1 and current number is 500. So that means C multiply 500 should be 500. So that's why next number should be 249. And then move next. So I think so nothing happened here because our number is already less than 400. So that's why let me skip 400 and move 100. So 249 and current symbol value is 100 and C. So let's count. Let's create a count. And 249 divide 100. In the case, that is 2, right? And the current Roman is C. So C multiplied 2 is 2C, right? And then after that, let's create a new number. So just current count multiply current number 100. That is 200. So just remove 2 and we will get 49. And then next, so I think we have 49. So 49 is less than 90 and 50. So let me skip this part. And we will reach 40. So 49 divide 40 is 1. And let's create a Roman. So XL multiply 1. So 1XL. And then next number should be count is 1 and the current number is 40. So next number is 9. And then move next. I think nothing happened. So let me skip 10. And then we reach 9. So current number is 9 divide 9. That is 1. And then let's create a Roman. So IX and 1. So just 1 IX. And then next number is count multiply current number. So that this is 9. 9 minus 9 is now number is 0. Looks good. And then, so now we reach 0. So we stop iteration. All we have to do is just return this Roman letter. So let's check 3M, DCC, XL, and then IX. So looks good. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, let's write the code. So I already created value symbols like this. And after that, create a result variable. This is an empty array. And let's iterate through one by one. So for value, so value is number and symbol. So this is a Roman letter. And in value symbols. And first of all, if num equal 0, in the case break. If not the case, so first of all, let's calculate count equal, so count is just num divide current number, so value. And then let's create a Roman letter, so res.append and symbol multiply count. And then after that, let's subtract count multiply value from num. So num minus equal count multiply value. Yeah, and after that, just return. So current result is array, so we have to return string, right? In the case, we use join and connect empty string and dot join and less. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be, I think, O1. So that's because actually we have constraint. So num is from 1 to 3,999. So we have fixed size of number and we have fixed size of value symbols and iterate through one by one. So that is O1. So that's why we should have fixed size of result variable. So that's why this is also O1. So I think every operation is O1. And the space complexity is also O1. We have fixed size of value symbols. Okay, so next, let's do the coding exercise. Okay, I create this kind of dictionary. So M is a thousands place, like 0, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. C is a hundreds place, 0, 100, 200, 300, and 900. X is tens place, 0, 10, 20, and 90. I is a ones place, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 9. So if we have this dictionary, we can do like this. So return, so first of all, we need a 1000 place, right? So that's why we use M. And so if num is 3749, so we need a 3M, right? So that means index 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1000 place is very simple. Just num divide 1000. So we will get 3, right? Easy. And the next, so we need a hundredths place. So that's why we use C. And in this case, we need 7. I mean DCC 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So in the case, how can you calculate? So my idea is divide twice. So first of all, num percent 10,000. So we will get the remainder. So num is 3749 divide 1000. We'll get 749 as a remainder, right? But still 749. So that's why we need to divide 749 by 100 so that we can get 7, right? So that's why we can access DCC. Looks good. And how about the tens place? We use X. And actually, we do the same thing. So in this case, first of all, we will get 49 because here is a tens place. So num percent 100. So we will get 49 as a remainder. And after that, just divide 10 so that we can get 4. So 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, XL. And we create a MMMDCC. And now we get XL. And the next two character is XL. So looks good. And let's create a ones place. So we use I. So ones place is easy. So just num percent 10 so that we can create like a 3740, right? So that's why we will get the 9 as a remainder. So 9 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, IX. And the last two character is IX. So looks good. Let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be O1, and the space complexity is also O1. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.